appears that way. It's alright. What are you gonna do?
You got the lead. Yeah, he's gonna want to be outside. He's gonna come down on you.
It don't matter. That thing's a fucking beast. I'm just gonna. I'm gonna let it have some fun. This thing's awesome.
Doesn't she look pretty?
She does. Good job, actually.
Yeah, but this got a little rough, but trying to make a circle.
Yeah, it's a thought.
Check your movies.
Oh, what is it? Oh, yeah. Nice. I like that. Oh, we gotta go? All right. Let's go. What's up, buddy? What's up, Charlie? Do I get the inside at least?
Huh?
Do I get the inside lane at least?
Yeah, you want the inside? I don't have you.
No, who are you racing?
I'm racing 5. I think I have a Mustang.
Oh, shit, I'm 5.
Oh, you're 5.
Yeah.
Wait, 1, 2, 3,
What number are you?
5. I'm 6.
You're
How
6?
are you 5? What number is the black Mustang? The fast one. What number is he? All right.
Which one? I don't know. Oh, let's go. Oh! Man, I could fucking driving. Oh. Oh! Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, let's go.
3rd mile as we get things underway. A lot of slow.
Nice, dude.
I don't like the inside.
It's dangerous a little. It's a little dangerous on the inside.
The inside, you gotta push the brakes on the line.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Pulling on out, getting up to the line, about to race a race car here. Charlie's is, I'm nervous but stoked at the same time. Charlie's over there doing his thing, thinking I'm screwed right here. Now I'm waiting for that light, pumping the throttle. I'm gonna make sure I get in the 3rd gear right before turn 1. There's 1 gear, 2 gear, hit 3rd right here, and I'm like, wait, where is he? And there he is at my side door. No, I just stay in the gas. I don't even, whatever. And I'm not too far behind. I'm doing all right here. I'm just standing on it, and the car's performing pretty well. I mean, it's not much I can complain about that race right there. All right, let's watch it from the outside. And here it is. There I go. I take off 1, 2, 3 gears. Now, I think I'm doing pretty good right here. We got pretty close. Now, I just painted that car. So a little bit of a slide there. I stay in that throttle. I don't have enough to really do much. But the car, you can see the wheels and everything. It's performing really well. Good race. Best of the season. And now I'm excited. Here I go. Yo! Ah, dude. Let's fucking go, baby! All right, we're gonna end this one out. Sick day again, spectator drag. It's been tremendous. What a fucking season. The season's over now, but it's been awesome. And I mean, the car did great. Though, listen, today I got the luck of the draw and got Charlie in his raced out S10. You'll see. And listen, that thing's a race car, but I was actually, at first I was like, crap, this sucks. But then I was like, it's pretty rad to get to go up against a champion, a #1. He won the season here. I mean, the guy goes around the country and just shreds it. So it was actually kind of fun to go up against someone like that. And my little Subaru right there. Come on, boys. I hope I kept it somewhat close. Look at that thing. You know, she performed great. We're still on the stock struts. We got springs on it. I hadn't been able to get any other suspension bits and pieces on, but you know, it is what it is. And then out of today, we got some other great news that's going to be coming. Actually, not just great, insane, fabulous news. So stay tuned for that. I mean, that one is just like blows my mind, and I'm just gonna leave it with that. But there it is, Subaru Forester, kicking butt, spectator drags, and I'm out. All right, thanks for watching. You know, hit that subscribe, do all that stuff, and look at the turnout today. There's tons of cars here today. This place is crazy. I mean, what a turnout today. So that's it. All right, boys, peace. Freedom come for the sky, light up sky, burn away these clouds. Yeah.
Trying to find my way back home. Who that soldier in the mirror? Oh, gonna turn all of my stones.
Impeccably I flow, hardest raps you know, breaking status quo, reaping what I sow, artistry like Van Gogh, get it from my mama.